Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss the previous year question paper of RRB Group D, which was held on 18th August 2022 in shift 3. In last live sessions, we already completed the PYQs of RRB Group D, which was held on 17th August. In 17th August, we completed all the 3 shifts papers. In this live session, we are discussing the PYQ of RRB Group D that was held on 18th August 2022 in shift 3. Okay. In this live session, we are going to discuss some questions of this paper. So, if you want to see all questions, and if you want to join our free online batches, just scan this QR code for free registration. So we are conducting a free online batches for banking, placement, RRB and SSC. So if you want to see concept wise videos also, just scan this QR code. You can access the free videos of our MSMF classes. Okay, right. So shall we start? Right, here one question is there. A car can cover 275 kilometers in 5 hours if its speed is reduced by 5 kilometers. A car can cover 275 kilometers in 5 hours. Okay. So, if its speed is reduced by 5 kilometers, then how much time will the car take to cover the distance of 250 kilometers? Here the distance is 275, here the distance is 250. So first of all we need to find the time. Okay, so see here 275 distance by time, we get a speed. Okay, so here the time, distance by time, we get speed. So 5 ones, 5 fives, 5 fives. So 55 kilometers per hour is the and if speed is reduced by 5 kilometers per hour, means the speed is reduced by 50 kilometers per hour. The present speed is 50 kilometers per hour. So what is our question? Then how much time will the car take to cover 250 kilometers? So time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is given 250 kilometers and speed is given 50 kilometers per hour. So 0 0 cancel, 5 ones, 5 fives. So 5 hours is the answer for this question. So they given a distance and time, we find the speed. After that they given the information, the speed is reduced by 5 kilometers per hour, then the new speed is 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, we need to find how much time it will take to cover 250 kilometers after reducing 5 kilometers per hour. So 250 kilometers is the distance after reducing 5 kilometers per hour. The speed of car is 50 kilometers. So then the time is 5 hours. So see the option 1 5 hours, option 1 itself correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question here. Select the option that represents the letters that, when placed from left to right in the same sequence, in the blanks below, will complete the letter series. Here there is a letter series which is from left to right. So which alphabets are to be filled in the blanks? Okay, there is some logic here. First of all, count how many letters are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 can be divided into 3 parts. Okay, so means each part consisting of 5. So 15 by 5. So we can divide 3 parts, or we can divide 15 by 3, we can divide 5 parts. So in the logic there is a 5 parts or 3 parts. So see here, I am dividing into 3 parts. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if you observe in first, here we have alphabet B, and here also first alphabet is B. Simply we can write here the alphabet is B. Okay. See here, in second second blank, here blank is there, here H is there. So we can write here in second place we can write H. Okay. So see the third X, here in the third Y, here in the third Z. So X, Y, Z. If you observe that in the fourth place of the one part, here we have T. So we can simply write here T. Here also we can write T. In the last alphabet of the first set, that is fifth place, here we have M. Here also we have M. So we can write here M. So see the pattern of the series, B, B, H, X, T, M. So next also B, H, Y, T, M, and next series B, H, Z, T, M. Yes, it is okay. So what we need to find, what are the alphabets are there in the blanks. See here, H, M, H, M, B, T, H, T. So these are the alphabets are to be filled in the blanks. See the option, which option is there? Option 1 wrong. Why? Because here the first alphabet is H. So this is wrong. This is also wrong, and this is also wrong. Only one option is there starting with H. So H, M, B, T, H, T. H, M, B, T, H, T. So I hope it is clear. Okay, right. So shall we move to the next question? Right. See the question here. Select the set in which the numbers are related in the same way or the numbers of the following sets. So there are here two sets are there. So here there is a one logic. So which option will satisfy the same logic? So one set is given that 80 comma 16 comma 20, and the other set is given 144 comma 36 comma 24. So if you observe that here 80 is there, here 16 is there, here 20 is there. In the next set, here 144 is there, here 36 is there, here 24 is there. If you observe that a second number of the set have perfect square. So we can write this is a 4 square, and we can write this is a 6 square. So if you see that what is the logic is here, so simply write root 16 into 20. So second number root into third number, second number root into third number. So root 16 is 4 into a third number, we get 80. So 80 is written as first number. So see here once again, root second number into third number, we get 4 into 20, that is 80. So 80 is placing in the first place. Okay. So here also same logic is here. Root second number is 36 into third number 24. So 36 root 36 is nothing but 6. 6 into 24 we get 144, right. So I hope you understood what is the logic is given here. So root second number into third number, root second number into third number. So see the option, which option will satisfy the same logic. So if you see that here root 25, okay, root 25 into third number is 16. So root 25 is 5 into 16. So 16 5 we get 80. So here the first number is 512. So we can click as it is wrong. Okay, right. Here see here the second number is not a perfect square. Okay, so we can simply click as wrong. So see the third option, root 30, right, second number is a perfect root. So root 36 into 40, root 36 into 40 we get 6 into 40 we get 240. So this is the first number. See here first number is 224, we need to, the first number is 240. So this is also wrong. So see the fourth one, root 49 is the second number and 27. So 7 into 27, root 49 is 7. 7 into 27 we get 189. So I hope you clear the logic is root of second number into third number, root of second number into third number, we get the first numbers. So in the same way here fourth option satisfies the same logic. So option 4 is correct. So I hope it is clear. Okay, shall we move to the next question? See the question here. Some boxes A, B, C, D, E, F, G are kept one over the other but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, so A, B, C, D, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. Okay, right, 7 boxes. So 7 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 boxes are kept one over the other but not necessarily in the same order. Only 2 boxes are kept between G and B. Only 2 boxes are kept between G and B. So B is kept at, at the bottom. So here we can directly place B is at bottom. Only 2 boxes are between G and B. We can write G is here. Okay, right. C is kept on one of the positions above D. So C is kept on one of the positions above D. One of the positions above D. F is kept immediately above D. Okay, so F is kept immediately above D. Here C is one of above D. Here F is immediate above D. Okay, so A is kept from fifth from the bottom. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A is kept fifth from the bottom. Okay, right. See here, as C here the logic, C is above D, F is also above D. So if you place D here, we cannot place C in the above here. So just place here D. So F is immediate above D. C wait here. E is at E is kept at top. E is here. Okay, so we can place C is here. Okay, right. So this is the 7 boxes are kept one over or on it. Okay, so what is our question? How many boxes are kept between D and A? How many boxes are kept between D and A? So we can kept here two boxes are kept between D and A. So option 4, two boxes is correct. Option 4, 2 is correct. Okay, right. Shall we move to the next question? Right. See the question. A group of people contains men, women and child. If 40% of them are men, 35% are women, and rest of them children. So, and their average weights are 70 kg, 70 kg, 60 kg and 30 kg respectively. So, what is our question? The average weight of the group is, okay, the average the average weight of the group is. So, they given 40% are men, 35% are women. So, what about children? So, total we can consider 100% is the population. So, here 40% are men, 35% are women. So, simply remaining 25% are children. Okay. So, they given the average of 40% men. Okay. So, simply write 40 into 70, we get the total. Okay. Total weight of men. And next 35 into 60, we get total weight of women. And 25 into 30, we get the total weight of children. Okay. So, 40% of men means we are considering it is as 100. 40 into 70 we get total weight of men. 35 into 60 we get total weight of women. 25 into 30 we get the total weight of children. So, 4 sevens are 2800 here we get. Okay. So, 60 1800 plus 300 we get 2100. Okay. So, 2100. So, here 3 into 25 75, right, 750. So, total weight of men is 2800, 2800. Total weight of women is 2100. Total weight of children is 750. So, 0, 5, add these three values, we get 5650 is the total weight of men, women and children. So, what is the question? The average weight of group. So, average means sum of observations by number of observations. So, average weight of group means total weight of group divided by number of persons. So, here we are considering 100 is the number of persons. So, total average is equal to x bar total by number. Okay, 5650 by 100. So, 0 cancel. In the denominator we have 10, simply write 56.5. Okay, 56.5 kg, 56.5 kg is the average weight of group. Okay, consisting of 40% of men, 35% of women and remaining 25% of children. So, see the option 1 45.5 wrong answer, option 2 56.5 is correct. So, here see the units here grams is there, here we get kgs. Okay. So, here also wrong and here see the fourth option 56.5 kg is correct answer. Okay. So, if you see here both the number is same but the units are different. Okay, right. So, shall we move to the next question? Okay. See here a syllogism question is given. All jokers are circuses. Okay. So, all jokers are circuses. I am writing simply CIR. All circuses are equestrians. Okay, equestrians. Some jokers are spectacles. Spectacles. Some jokers are spectacles. Okay, right. So equation. Right. So what is the conclusion is given? Some equestrians or spectacles. Yes, some equestrians or spectacles. Yes, there is a region. Is there? Yes, some equestrian or spectacles is follows. Yes, correct. Some circuses are jokers. Some circuses are jokers. Yes, correct. Some circuses are jokers. Yes, correct. So some equations are jokers. Yes, correct. So here both the conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 are follows. See the option 1 only conclusion 1? No. Conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 are follows. See the option 2 neither. No. Both follows. So here only 2 no car. So both conclusion 1, conclusion 2 follows. Okay, right. So shall we move to the next question? Right, see here, which of the following pairs is not co-prime numbers? Okay, so I am observing that one question is coming from co-prime numbers. Okay, check whether the which one is not co-primes or which is co-primes. Okay, see that which of the following is not co-primes. So co-prime is a numbers, so that the highest factor is 1, HCF is 1. So if you see that here, what is the HCF of 17? 34, 17 34, 17 twos 34. So HCF of this number is 17. Okay, so no need to check the other option. Yes, because HCF co-prime means the numbers are co-primes if the HCF is 1. Okay, so here the HCF is 17. So it is not a co-prime number. By checking the one option itself we can get. So here the HCF is 1. Here also the HCF is 1. Here also the HCF is 1. So what is our question? Which of the following pairs is not co-primes? So 17, 34 are not co-primed. Okay, right. Next question. Right, in certain code language, SIGMA is written as FVTZN. Okay, right. Okay, and FNYRQ is written as SALED. Okay, so S is written as F, V is written as sorry, I is written as V, G is written as T, M is written as Z, A is written as N. Okay, so a similar code is there. And what is our question? How will Arjun, A or J U N? Okay, A or J U N. If you see that here we have A is there, so in the place of we can write A N. Okay, right. And if you see that here N is there, we can write N as A. Okay, so see the options, which option has starting with N and ending with A. So here wrong answer, here wrong, here wrong. If you see that option 4 itself starting with N ending with A, so we can write here NEWHA. So this is the direct step you need to find, or else we can find by using here. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So see the code here. S is written as F. So here S is there and here F is there. We go with forward, either forward or backward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th letter. Okay, so we go with forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th. Okay, so plus or minus 13th letter. Why? Because here to here 13 alphabets is there. So plus or minus. I is written as V. So here is I. Go either forward or backward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th letter. Okay, plus or minus 13. So this is the logic. All right, by using the plus or minus 13 to these alphabets. So I am writing plus 13, plus 13, plus 13, plus 13, plus 13. Or else by using, here we have for the A we have N. So I am writing here N. For N we have A. So which option will have starting with N and ending with A? Option 4 itself correct. Option 4 is having starting with N and ending with A. Okay, right. So next question. See the question is based on ages. So damn surely we are seeing at least one question from ages problems. So the sum of the present ages of father and his daughter is 80 years. The sum of the present ages of father and daughter is 80 years. The father was 7 times, sorry, so 8 years ago, the father was 7 times the age of his daughter. Okay, so they given the age of father and daughter 8 years ago in the ratio, in the respective ratios. Okay, so 8 years ago. So father age minus 8, daughter age minus 8, the ratio of their ages are 7:1. Why? Because they given the father's age was 7 times the age of his daughter. We can write 7:1. Okay, so father's age 8 years ago, daughter's age 8 years ago, the father age is 7 times the age of his daughter. So what is our question? 8 years from now. Okay, so 8 years from now, what will be the daughter's age? Okay, 8 years from now, what will be the daughter's age? So first of all, find the daughter's age, then we can find from now 8 years what is the daughter's age. So simply cross multiplication we get, if f minus 8 is equal to 7d minus 7 8s are 56. Okay, 7 8s are 56. So once again see here. So f minus 8 is equal to 7 into d minus 8. So f minus 8 is equal to 7d minus 7 8s are 56. Okay, right. So just take either d value or f value. I am taking f here. So f is equal to 7d minus 56 minus 8 plus 8. So we get 48. Okay, we get 48. Right. F is equal to 7d minus 48. Okay, so sum of father age and daughter age is 80. So we find the father age, nothing but 7d minus 48 plus d is equal to 80. So 7d plus d we get 8d minus 48 is equal to 80. 8d is equal to 80 plus 48. So we get 128. So minus will change as plus if you go with the right side. So d is equal to 128 by 8. So D is equal to 8 ones 8 and 8 6 48. So 128 by 8, 8 ones 8, and here we get 4. So 8 6 48. So daughter's age is 16. So but what is our question? What will be the daughter's age after 8 from 8 years now? So 16 plus 8 we get 24. Okay. So 8 years from now, 8 years from now, what will be the daughter's age? 8 years from now, what will be the daughter's age? This is the daughter's present age. So 8 years from now means 16 plus 8, we get 24 is the daughter's age after 8 years. So see the option 1 20, option 2 18, option 3 22, option 4 24. So option 4 is correct answer. Okay, right, next question. So here one inequality question is given. Based on the given statement, 4 conclusions are drawn. Find out which conclusion is true based on the statement. Here the statement is given and 4 conclusions, 4 options are also given. Which option will follows the statement? Okay, so which option is true according to the statement? So here they given y less than o less than or equal to z, z less than or equal to k, k is equal to u greater than l greater than p. See here, check the options, no other option is there, we need to check the options. O is equal to p, see that here O is there, here p is there, so here less than or equal to condition is there, here greater than, we cannot find a relation, so it is wrong, it is wrong. So g is equal to y, so g is equal to y, no, so y is greater than g, g is greater than y, or we can write here y less than o less than or equal to g. So g is equal to y is wrong. Okay, right, k greater than p. Okay, see here is there. So k is equal to u greater than l greater than p. So we can write k greater than p. So k than p is correct. Okay, no need to check y greater than l. No, it is not fault. So k greater than p is correct. Right. Next question. Select the option that is related to the 5th number in the same way as the 2nd number is related to the 1st number and the 4th number is related to the 3rd number. So here the 2nd number how is related to the 1st number and 4th number is how is related to the 3rd number. In the same way, 6th number is related to the 5th number. If you see that here all the numbers are perfect square numbers. So if you see that this is a 8 square and it is a 9 square. This is 11 square and this is 12 square. So we can, this is 169 is a 13 square. So 8 plus 1 9, 11 plus 1 12, simply 13 plus 1 we can write 14. So here the numbers square 8 square, 9 square, 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, 14 square. So what is the value of 14 square? 196. So option 1 itself correct. Option 1 itself correct. Right. So next question. Right. A sum when invested at 1/2% simple interest per 2 annum amounts to 8 per annum, sorry, here printing mistake is there, per annum amounts to 8,250 after 2 years. What is the simple interest? So they given the amount and they given the rate of interest, simple interest. So we need to find the simple interest. So just see that, so per 1 year the rate of interest is 12 1 by 2. So here they calculate the rate of interest for 2 years. So for 2 years we can simply, for 2 years we can double it. So 25%. Okay, total interest for 2 years we can simply write, for 1 year 12.5, for 2 years we get 25%. So this is the amount. So this is the amount, means principal 100% and simple interest 25%. So this is the amount 125% of x. So 125% of x is equal to 8250. So we need to find that simple interest. So x is equal to 8250 into 100 by 125. So 5 5s are 5 4s are. So 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 0. So x is equal to 650 into 4. So 650 into 4 we get 100% x. We need to find 25%. There is a simple technique. If we multiply with 4 we get 100%. So the individual value itself is nothing but 25%. So the simple interest is 1650. No need to multiply 1650 into 4, then after add again 25%. Just if we multiply, suppose see here 25 into 4 we get 100. So this is not the value, nothing but 25%. So 1650 into 4 we get 100%. So just 25% means 1650 is nothing but 25% of x. So we need to find simple interest. So 1650 is the simple interest. See the option 2 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question here. The difference between the selling price on a discount of 32% and 2 successive discounts 20%. Okay, so each on a certain bill is 25. So the difference between the selling price of 32% after giving discount and the successive discounts of 20%, so the difference is 25. So find the actual price of the bill. Find the actual price of the bill. So here percent is given and two successive discounts of 20%. So one is 20%. After giving another second discount means, so just to find 20% of 20, we get remaining 80%. Just this, add this 80% to this, we get 36. Okay, so first discount is 20% and second discount is, means successive discount means, just find the 80% of this, means subtract the 20% of 20, we get 80%. So 36 is the two successive discounts of 20%. So 36% of x minus 32% of x. So the difference is 25. So means 36% of x minus 32% of x means 4% of x is equal to 25. X is equal to 25 into 100 by 4. 4 ones are 4 25s are. So x is equal to 25 into 25. 25 square 625. Okay, 25 square is 625. See the option 2 is correct, 625. Once again, see here they given the 32% discount and here 36 is the two successive discounts of 20%. So 20% to successive, first is 20%. So give the discount after 20%, means just subtract 20% of 20, we get 16. So 36. Okay, so 36% of x minus 32% of x, we get 25. Okay, so 4% of x is equal to 25, x is equal to nothing but 625 is the actual price of the bill. Okay, right. So 625. Right, option 2 is correct. Next question. See the question, find the number of sides in a regular polygon if its each interior angle is 160 degrees. Okay, so they given the each interior angle of a regular polygon. How much given? 160 degrees. Okay, so we have the formula to find the each interior angle of the regular polygon, that is n minus 2 into n minus 2 into 180 by n is the formula to find each interior angle of the regular polygon. Here they given the regular angle of the interior angle. Okay, so that is 160 degrees. So we need to find number of sides. So side is nothing but, number of side is nothing but n value. So n minus 2 into 180 is equal to 160 into n. So 0 0 cancel, 2 9s are 2 8s are. So 9n minus 18 is equal to 8n. So minus n is equal to minus 18. So n is equal to 18. So the number of sides of the regular polygon n is equal to 18, which have interior angle is 160 degrees. So option 3 is correct, 18 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. See the question. Once see the question. Okay. Raju and Raman can complete a piece of work in 12 days and 16 days respectively if they work on alternative days. Okay, starting with Raju, in how many days will the work be completed? Okay, Raju will complete the work in 12 days. Raman will complete the work in 16 days. Okay, so what is the total work? Just take the LCM of 12. Take the LCM of 12, 16. We get the value is, directly I am saying the value is 40. Okay, direct the value is 48. So this is the total units of work. So Ram will complete the work in 12 days, means so 48 by 12. So here we get 12 ones or 12 fours. Ram will complete 4 units of work. Okay, so 48 by 16 we get 3. So Raman will complete 3 units of work in 1 day. Raju will complete 4 units of work in 1 day. So if we work together, but here they given if they work alternative days. Okay, so in first day Raj will work. Okay, in first day Raju will work, they complete 4 units of work. In second day Raman will work, they complete 3 units of work. So in 2 days they will complete 7 units of work. Okay, in 2 days they will complete 7 units of work. So just divide total work by 7. So 7 6 are 42. So remainder is 6. Here we get 6. Just double it. Okay, why? Because in 2 days. So 6 2s are 12. Okay, so in 12 days they will complete 42 units of work. Remaining 6 units of work is there. So in next day after Raji is complete 4 units of work, means 13 days. So minus 4 we get 2 units of work in for Raman. So 2 units of work is pending for Raman. Raman can do 3 units of work in a day. So total required days is 13 2 by 3 days. Okay, so they will complete the work if they work alternatively. So 13 2 by 3 days. So option option 1 is correct, 13 2 by 3. Okay, right. So these are the some questions which are asked in RRB. If you want to listen total RRB papers or concept wise topic wise concepts, just scan this QR code for free classes, free online batches. Not only for RRB, we can provide aptitude reasoning for banking, placements, RRB and SSC. So if you want to listen our free online batches, just scan this QR code for registration. Okay, so thank you for watching.